Hello and welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use the Straico integration within N8N, the powerful automation tool. Straico's node in N8N brings the full range of endpoints from Straico's official API documentation. And today, we'll review many of them. First, let's see how to find Straico in N8N. In your workflow, add a new node and search for Straico. Select it from the list. The node provides access to all the main endpoints of the Straico API, which makes it easy to automate a variety of tasks directly from N8N. Now, let's look at prompt completion. Select the Straico node and set the resource to prompt and the operation to completion. In the message field, type your desired prompt. Once you execute the node, you'll get a smart AI-powered response. For example, you can then automatically forward this reply with an email node. Next, let's generate an AI image. In your Straico node, set the resource to image and the operation to generate image. Choose a model that fits your needs and then enter your image prompt in the description field. The response will include an image URL. You can add a step to download the file before sending it via email or doing further processing. Now for file management. Use the Straico node and set the resource to File and the operation to Upload. Upload your document and Straico will give you a download URL. This URL can be used in the completion operation in another Straico node, enabling more complex workflows. Straico also supports advanced agent management. An agent combines a custom prompt with a retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG base. This means AI can pull information from large documents while keeping responses affordable. To use this, first create a RAG base. Next, set up the agent and customize its prompt. Then, attach the RAG base to the agent. Finally, send a prompt to your agent and receive a contextual answer. These are some of the key features you can automate using N8N's Straico integration. There are many other operations and details available in the official Straico API documentation if you want to explore more advanced workflows. Thanks for watching.